Hello, Ansible Pilot community. I'm so happy to be here to say to everyone Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. Let me briefly recap that 2022 was very remarkable. We had a lot of interesting milestones for the Ansible project. Ansible Core reached out version 2.14.1 and Ansible Community Package reach out version 7.1.0. These milestones are very interesting because a lot of new features are actually popping up. Let me highlight to you the ansible-sign utility that allows you for project sign and verification. That is a great thing if you miss it. And from the enterprise user, the Ansible Automation platform is getting ready to move automation to next level. Features like Ansible Mesh and of course the project signing are really moving to the next level of automation, especially for the supply chain. But Red Hat also worked with a Ansible certified collection with a lot of partners that are actually embracing this new interesting model. So stay tuned because I think that 2023 will be very interesting here for our automation. Meanwhile, enjoy the holiday and see us on the next adventure on Ansible Pilot. Ciao!